go back to the 1600s when people already started to control buoyancy, even before they even thought about going to space. And they did so with these things here, Cartesian Diver. You can make Cartesian Diver at home. I've just made some this morning with drinking straws and paper clips and elastic bands. You might be wondering what these paper clips are for. Well, they're to shim the diver. They're to make its weight just right so it's on that threshold of critical buoyancy. Let's take a look at a diver that I've loaded up with too many paper clips. We'll stick it into our test pool, if you like. And you can see that it sinks. If we fish it out and we take off one of the paper clips, stick it back into our test pool, it dove down a bit, but then it actually rose to the surface again. So now it's at that threshold of buoyancy where it's just about to sink if I put one more paper clip on. So I've just got a 1.25 litre bottle of water filled up to the brim here. And I can actually control that buoyancy so that if I press on the bottle just the right amount, I can make them critically buoyant, and that red one's just levitating in mid-space. This is a cool demonstration of critical buoyancy where I can actually just change the pressure in the straw and make them float around. Why am I getting this change in buoyancy when I squeeze the bottle?
Is it actually compressing the air in the straw, is it?
Yeah. So the pressure is being transferred from the bottle into the actual straw. And the reason I've clamped the straw at the bottom is to ensure that there's a tiny little pocket of air at the top of the straw. And that pocket of air is the thing that's being adjusted when we squeeze the bottle. That's getting compressed. Its volume is going down. Its pressure is going up, thanks to the ideal gas law. And that means that it's displacing less water. So as it displaces less water, it receives a lower buoyant force and it sinks to the bottom. So check out these Cartesian divers. They're a great example of something that humans discovered hundreds of years ago when playing with water. Much fun for kids and grown-ups alike.